at Haifa University. Global warming, is going to, with rising sea levels, is going to endanger and submerge coastal regions around the world in the next, by 2050. And Mr. Fetch told me that they're already predicting. So the Gazan coast and the Tel Aviv and the Israeli coast, Haifa has higher up elevation. A lot of the Israeli coast and the Gazan coast are at sea level. Even if it's just a rise of 1 to 2 feet, it can totally wipe out whatever, homes, businesses, schools, everything. And I don't know. This is going to be a catastrophe worldwide. Yes.
I don't know if this is something that you have a background to explain, but I know that 20% of Israeli citizens are Arab or Palestinian, and I wonder how some people got to stay and some people didn't. Do you know the history of how that came about?
A little bit. Some